The chief enemy of creativity is good sense. Pablo Picasso. If your closet is full and you have nothing to wear, it's either because you are overwhelmed by it or there's something holding you back from being creative in your style. The fix might not be a complete outfit overhaul. It could be as simple as the addition or switch of a piece. Spotting that piece is the hard part. The good news is that we are in control of the pieces we put in our closets and how they make us feel. In this video, I'll give you some ideas to get you out of that style rut and give you some options to fix this problem once and for all. To make my point clear, I picked an outfit that technically checks off all the styling box rules. I'm wearing a classic white suit, and while there's nothing intrinsically wrong with this outfit, I wouldn't feel like me at all wearing it. I would feel uneasy and somewhat dated and not interesting. I love classics, don't get me wrong, especially white suits, but they have to be interesting at the bare minimum. What I mostly hear from the conversations I have with my clients is a sense of lack. This comes from preconceived ideas of what a good outfit should look like. My conclusion with these conversations is that we need balance. So when what you're wearing makes you feel too unsighted, you crave the opposite extreme. So in my case, the addition of slouchy jeans was the other extreme to the classic vibe I was conveying. That it became the one thing I needed to feel more balanced, more interesting, more modern, and more me. And if someone said it wasn't classy, then somehow that would only reinforce my choice rather than have me doubt it. That's not a new concept. It's been around for a while. And the first time we were introduced to it was by designer Carolina Herrera, when she wore a crisp white shirt with a taffeta skirt. And then you have the likes of Amy Smilovich, owner of the brand TB, and others that reinforce the concept. And I find it quite a valuable tool to expand your styling horizon. After all, this has been unapologetically the theme of this channel, to find new ways to expand your wardrobe and encourage you to express your individuality, which for me ultimately is what sustainability is all about. So the concept goes like this. When creating an outfit, always think about how you want to feel in it. Forget about conventions and rules. And if you're not happy with the result, think of how your outfit is making you feel. For example, ultra classic or sporty or casual or whatever. Normally, when you're feeling something isn't quite right, it's because something is making you feel too unsighted. So to bring the balance back, start by externalizing how you feel. That makes it easier to bring the opposite vibe in, much like an old scale, right? So the opposite of super classic could be edgy or modern. Maybe you need something modern to balance the ultra classic vibe out. A too serious suit may look more interesting if you add a statement belt to it or a graphic t-shirt underneath to make it more edgy. Here's what you're going to trust your guts and own the outfit. A pretty dress, I feel more balanced mixed with sneakers or riding boots. Did that work? Maybe assertive is what you're looking for. A shoe with a square toe might be the answer. It's not about starting a new outfit from scratch or looking for external clues for inspiration. It's about understanding how to fix what's throwing the balance of your outfit off. Your wardrobe should have the right items to do just that. And here's another example. The festive season is coming up and you feel you need to buy a new dress for it. You get this very chic sequin dress that's always on trend during the festive seasons. And first thing that comes to mind, to pair it with pretty sandals. And in your head, you're all sorted for life for the festive season. But we should think of our clothes in terms of price per wear. Therefore, wearing something only once a year isn't good enough. So here are some options. For example, it would never cross your mind to wear this dress on a weekend. So to make it more casual, which is the opposite vibe, you add in the items that will bring that vibe in. You can pair it with cool sliders for a light lunch and throw on a denim jacket on top. Or maybe your idea of casual is actually sporty. In this case, this is where sneakers, a baseball cap, and a sweater do the trick. A sack bag reinforces the casual vibe. On the other side of the spectrum, if your go-to-day uniform is tracky pants, sneakers, a t-shirt, and a crossbody bag, and you want to feel a little bit more elevated, then switching the sneakers for sleek kitten heel pumps and the crossbody bag for a classic shoulder bag might be what you want to go from overly casual to cool and elevated casual. It doesn't need to be too dramatic. Just some tweaks here and there make a big difference. Sometimes when you're feeling too serious and predictable in your workwear, what you actually need is something a bit unexpected, like orange pumps, for example. Of course, this is totally personal. That's the whole point here. You're still looking professional, but also more approachable and authentic. Alright, let's be a bit creative here and take this cute top that can be too cute. You would normally wear it with a skirt and sandals. So why not pair it with tailored Bermudas instead? The Bermudas evoke a masculine vibe that is perfect to tame the girliness of the top. You can further the prettiness of the look by adding mules and a pretty bag, but that would be a bit too one-sided. Alternatively, a neutral shoulder bag will ground the outfit further and not interfere with the overall result, which is perfectly fine here. My point is, we all need dimension in our closets. It's okay to have fun in our closets from time to time. It's up to the individual to which extent you want to go. Having a solid foundation to your wardrobe, one that is constituted of timeless items that stand the passage of time and have the ability to anchor any wild card you have so you can truly be creative, is crucial so you feel more balanced. That's the secret sauce for a perfect cohesive wardrobe. Okay, now let's say you have a vacation dress that in your mind, the only way to style it is with flat sandals and an equally vacation bag. The opposite of that could be corporate. So just throw on a blazer and kitten heels and a more structured bag and voila, now you can wear it to other occasions other than just your next holiday destination. There are so many rules in fashion, and while those act like a compass when you're lost, after a certain point, they can become limitations that prevent you from expressing your individuality. So that was it for today, everyone. A short one. I hope you got the idea. Let me know what you think of this concept in the comments below. I personally think it's very interesting, and I do hope you find it informative and helpful. I'll leave the link of the outfits shown here in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.